Snake one. If you know what that means, the back of the thing.
Yeah, moving right.
Moving right?
Moving right.
You're moving right or they're moving right?
I'm moving right.
Alright, I'm going to come to your spot when you go.
Alright, ready?
Ready? Go. Snake one.
Is anybody riding you? What? No, not yet. Alright, do you want to move? Hey, you got a guy right here on your left. What? Let me know when you're moving, I'll cover. Alright, ready?
Go.
Got one. Yeah. Alright, Austin, I'm moving up on you. Cover me. I'm gonna move to your last spot. It's not good? Oh. Hey, Austin, back far right corner.
You're out, Hopper. All right. That was good. You're out! Good shot, good shot, good shot. Get him.
Hey, left up. He held when
good shot, man.
Oh, thank you.
So one in the white mask.
Damn, finger bleed. Yeah, he's lucky. I think I bounced him though. I got him, but I bounced him. It was good. Shot a guy far away though. It's good.
No, that's spray. There you go.
That's him.
You know what time it is? Huh? You know what time it is?
Yeah. Damn, I was like, it's close. I was hella close.
5 minutes, guys.
He's only got him with a spot or two.
Yeah. I watched it. Sorry. I'm surprised he hasn't got hit yet. Damn.
Let him out. Let him out.
Game over.
Game over. Game over, guys. Game over. Bill 3-5. Danny got the thing there, guys. All right, guys. Bill 3-5. Yeah, we're heading inside, guys.
Bounced my arm.
Oh, man. Oh, close. I saw you flinch and I was like, oh, damn, I didn't get him out. But you shot me in the finger, though. I was like,
Did I
damn.
get you?
Yeah,
Trying to. You weren't giving me a whole lot. I could see that.
I know.
Pro or whatever a little bit.
That's why I turned mine off.
It's pretty good. I got some. So, like, I shot Mickey out. He had the pump. It was sick. I moved up, and I was just like one shot right on the hopper. I was like, boom, nigga. And then I moved it so far up. I was like, there was another guy that was looking out. Well, I pumped it, and I was like, boom, and it shot him right in the arm. I was like, boom, yeah. And then Rich got me out. It was close, though. I bounced him, and then he got me out on the finger. I was like, damn it. You alright?
Huh?
You alright? Who'd you get shot by? Oh, okay, the pump. I hella moved up, shot Mickey in the in the hopper. It was sick. I moved up and I went in the cover and I saw him come out and I was like, boom.